Welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery on a Wednesday night, and it's very, very late, around past 11 p.m. We came for some kind of urgent jobs. I know I let you down, but on the repair side, the business is very low. So with me, we do have a Dell laptop. That's the Dell Inspiron 15 series, which was booked in as no power. These are some kind of jobs from another tech, local, obvious at a local shop. They opened all the screws, they checked, they could not see the problem, and they sent it here. But my advice, if you are in repair business, just try to buy basic tools, you know. Trust me, if you move around the local shops, no multimeters, no hot air machines, no DC power supplies, and people, they are writing outside the shops that laptop repairs. What are you really repairing if you don't have enough tools? Like basic tools, no basic tools, and you are repairing things. Guys, let's try to move a bit further on the professional side. Just try to have tools that will help you to diagnose a gadget, to know the exact problem. Like now, they opened, I don't know how they were checking some power rails without multimeters. But anyway, let's leave that aside and try to see what the problem here. Charger is already plugged. Let's test the voltage on our charger. Check on my multimeter, 19.56. Our charger is good. Plug in the charger. We do have the switch button here. I can hear it's clicking, but it's just dead. No power, no life. Okay. No screws, so let's take everything out. Got the CD drive back cover. I want to check some voltage. This one looks easy because I'll show you. That's the input configuration. You can see we have a diode here. The charging port connector is on the other side. We have a diode to prevent some spike of high voltage on the input part. After that, we do have our first MOSFET, second MOSFET, and we have the current sensor. And from this current sensor, our voltage is going everywhere. So what I want to do, I'll plug in the charger and go straight on the current sensor and check for 19 volts there. And 0, 0, we don't have voltage on the diode before the MOSFETs, 0. So clearly we don't have 19 volts, which is passing through from the charging port to the motherboard. So between the motherboard and our charger, we have the charging port. So I'll move my attention to the charging port. Or before that, let's come with the voltage 18 point something. That should be fine on the current sensor, and let's see if we have any short. And it's taking like 0 amps, meaning to say our board is not shorted. So The next step, let's try to see this charging port. Maybe something's wrong. Maybe. Look, you can see all these wires are broken. That's the plus wire, the red one. This one, I don't know. I think this one is the mid one, and this only ground is connected. That's bad. Okay, you can see. So let's see if we can fix this quickly. I don't want to take time. It's quite late. I have to go and rest. So yeah, that's what we are fixing tonight. I just pray if this is the only fault. I just pray. We have two broken wires here. You know, on the Dell wire, on the Dell laptops, the middle wire is there to identify the charger, no? So that's what this middle wire is doing. Because we have some, if you put a wrong charger, you have some error messages. Plug not charging, not the right AC adapter, things like that. So because this middle wire is going straight to the microcontroller, okay. Yeah, hopefully we can fix this. Hopefully. Hopefully we can fix this. Let's fix the plus. Let's strengthen our charging port with hot glue. Okay. Let's put it in position, you know, and wait for our glue to dry up. I just hope that is the only problem. If not, we have a big problem. So I want to do some shortcuts here. Just to insert the charging port in position. That's what I want to do here. But if that middle wire shorted with plus, probably we have many faults. Because if you short the middle pin with the plus, you bend the microcontroller. So I just let's just have hope that our microcontroller is too good. So what I would do, I'll plug in the charger. Let's test again. Voltage minus, plus. Check on the test meter, 19.56. What about 3.3? On the microcontroller, 3.26. So we have 19 volts, we have 3.3. Our board is ready to be powered on. So yeah, I don't want to break hinges, so let's put the back cover. Let's put this back cover. The CD drive. And let's just find a few screws to hold the motherboard, the back cover, you know. Just a few screws, 2 or 3 screws should be enough. After that we can test. People are fixing things. No multimeters, no everything. That's so fun, you know. Let's plug in the charger. Okay. On. And it's working. I can't believe. Dell. Let's wait and see if our Windows is loading. You can see our Windows is loading. So yeah, that was a faulty charging port. And like, subscribe. I'm quite happy. Our channel is growing, and we'll try to get better jobs in the future. No, I'm quite disappointed. Charging port jobs. I thought maybe something better, but we have learned how you can diagnose things before you can waste time to jump into conclusion on different on thinking something on the outside, you know. So everything seems to be okay here. So I will stop this video now. Like, subscribe, and follow our YouTube channel, BST African Electronic Surgery. See you on the next one. Bye.